Protein smoothies have become a staple in the health and fitness world, celebrated for their convenience, muscle-building benefits, and ability to keep hunger at bay. But as the trend of loading smoothies with scoops of protein powder grows, so do questions about safety. Can you have too much of a good thing? Let's dive into the science, risks, and smarter strategies for fueling your body. The protein boom in smoothies. Protein-packed smoothies are everywhere, marketed as post-workout recovery drinks, meal replacements, or energy boosters. With options like whey, plant-based powders, collagen, and add-ins like Greek yogurt or nut butter, it's easy to turn a simple smoothie into a protein powerhouse. But while protein is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health, overdoing it, especially in concentrated forms, can backfire. How much protein do you really need? The recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight for the average sedentary adult. For a 150-pound, 68-kilogram person, that's about ** 55 grams daily. However, athletes, pregnant individuals, or those recovering from injury may need more, up to * 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram *, depending on activity level. Smoothies often deliver 20 to 40 grams of protein in one serving, which can push daily intake into overdrive if combined with protein-rich meals. The risks of overdoing protein in smoothies. 1. Kidney strain. Your kidneys filter waste products from protein metabolism, like urea and ammonia. While healthy kidneys can handle moderate protein, excess intake, over 2 grams per kilogram long-term, may stress them, especially in those with pre-existing kidney issues. A 2020 study in * Nutrients noted that high-protein diets could accelerate kidney decline in susceptible individuals. 2. Digestive discomfort. Too much protein powder, especially whey or casein, can cause bloating, gas, or constipation. Many powders also contain artificial sweeteners like sucralose, which disrupt gut health. 3. Nutrient imbalances. Relying heavily on protein smoothies might mean missing out on fiber, vitamins, and minerals from whole foods. For example, skipping veggies or whole grains for a quick smoothie can lead to deficiencies. 4. Weight gain. Protein isn't calorie-free. Excess intake, even from healthy smoothies, can lead to surplus calories stored as fat. A 30-gram scoop of protein powder adds approximately 120 calories, and nut butter or sweeteners pile on more. Who should be extra cautious? People with kidney disease or reduced kidney function. Those with liver conditions or metabolic disorders. Older adults with declining kidney health. Anyone using protein smoothies as a primary meal replacement long-term. Balancing protein in smoothies. 5 best practices. 1. Calculate your needs. Use your weight and activity level to gauge daily protein goals. For most, 15 to 30 grams per smoothie is sufficient. 2. Prioritize whole food. Swap some protein powder for whole food sources. Greek yogurt, 17 g protein per cup. Silken tofu, 10 g per 1/2 cup. Hemp seeds, 10 g per 3 tablespoons. 3. Mix protein types. Rotate between plant-based, pea, brown rice, and animal-based proteins to diversify nutrients. 4. Add fiber and healthy fat. Balance protein with spinach, avocado, chia seeds, or oats to slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar. 5. Hydrate well. Drinking plenty of water helps kidneys process protein efficiently. Healthy alternatives to protein powder. Try these whole food combos in your next smoothie. Green Powerhouse: spinach, almond milk, banana, hemp seeds, Greek yogurt. Tropical Vegan: coconut milk, mango, silken tofu, chia seeds. Chocolate Fix: almond milk, frozen banana, cocoa powder, peanut butter, oats. The bottom line: protein smoothies can be a nutritious tool when used mindfully. However, more isn't always better. Excess protein, especially from processed powders, can strain your kidneys, disrupt digestion, and crowd out other vital nutrients. Aim for balance. Pair smoothies with whole foods, listen to your body, and consult a healthcare provider if you have health conditions. By focusing on quality over quantity, you can enjoy the benefits of protein smoothies without the risks. Cheers to smarter sipping. Cup with straw.